Okay, see how I would have attempted this question in first go. Okay, so I would have certainly, first of all, before discussing this question, one thing I have to tell that in a set of five numbers starting with 5k form, okay, 5k form, if the first number is 5k form and the numbers are consecutive, okay, so 5k plus 1, 5k plus 2, 5k plus 3 and 5k plus 4, okay, so all these five numbers factorial of each numbers will have equal trailing zeros, okay. So one thing to remember is number of trailing zeros in this will remain same. Why? Because like if I take k to be 1, so 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial, okay. So one thing to observe that no 5 is introduced in all these numbers, okay, and we know that trailing 0 means 10 and 10 is made up of 5 and 2. 2 is present in abundance, so 5 decides, basically in factorial 5 decides number of zeros, okay. And you can see that in all these numbers no 5 is introduced, so all these 5 numbers will have same, okay, will have same number of trailing zeros, okay, starting with 5k form, okay. So how will this help me? So this will help me like this, just a second. So the question is find the sum of all possible values of n, okay. We know that five numbers will have the sum, okay. Five numbers will be there with same number of trailing zeros, okay. So basically there are these this sum is basically of five numbers, okay. So one thing I can do is I pick up this option 3100, okay. We know that five numbers make up this, so if I divide by 5 I will get 620, okay. 620 I got, okay. So first such number will be 620 factorial, okay. Now I can take out trailing zero of this 620, okay. So number of trailing zeros will be how much? 1, 12, so 5 to 10 this, okay. So 5 to 10, 5 to 10 and 5 for 20 and 5 for 20, okay. So I stop over here. So 5 to 10, 24 means 5 for 20, 5 for 20, right? So 124 plus 28, okay. So 12, 152, okay. So in 620 factorial I will have 152 trailing zeros, okay. And I know that starting from 620 to the total next four numbers there will be equal number of trailing zeros, okay. So next four means till 624 I will have 152 trailing zeros only, okay. Now as soon as I introduce 625 factorial, 625 is basically what? It is 5 to the power 4, okay. So I get 4 extra 5s. So basically the trailing zero will be how much? 152 plus this extra 5s, so 4, so 156, okay. And this is what is required, okay. That is 156 trailing zeros, okay. So I got 156 trailing zeros, okay. And the number is starting from where? It is starting from 625, and as told till the next four numbers will have the same trailing zero, okay. Because I know basically it is factorial, okay. Because no 5 is introduced in all these numbers, okay. So that's why. So adding all, I'll get 3135 as the answer. So I hope this caters your doubt.